Every journey begins long before the factory doors open. Here, precision meets the patience of the land.
Each kernel is selected by motion, weight, and timing.
Harvest turns abundance into order. Movement is the first step of transformation.
Quality begins with human judgment.
From soil to system, the journey continues. Volume meets velocity.
These kernels are now bound for transformation.
Distance compresses when systems are in motion. Every mile preserves what the field produced.
Infrastructure rises to receive the harvest.
Arrival is measured, not rushed.
Every load is recorded before it moves on.
Control begins before contact. Gravity takes over where engines stop. The factory now takes responsibility. This is where agriculture meets engineering.
Every motion here is planned.
The stream never stops. Inside, control replaces chance.
Scale is built for consistency.
Upward motion prepares the next stage. Direction is engineered, not guessed. Human oversight never leaves the system. Preparation is now underway. Clean input defines reliable output. Separation begins with motion. Weight determines destiny. Protection is built into the line. Uniformity is engineered.
Automation still trusts the human eye.
Purity clears the way forward.
The line advances, controlled and clean.
Conditioning prepares kernels for change. Moisture is measured, never guessed. Time completes what machines begin. Balance is maintained before pressure. Consistency is constantly verified. Flow is smoothed before intensity. Direction defines efficiency. Conditions are now exact. Transformation waits on the other side. Conditioning prepares kernels for change. Moisture is measured, never guessed. Time completes what machines begin. Balance is maintained before pressure. Consistency is constantly verified. Flow is smoothed before intensity. Direction defines efficiency. Conditions are now exact. Transformation waits on the other side. Automation now takes the lead. Vision replaces chance. Correction happens in milliseconds. Balance is constantly adjusted. Flavor is engineered with precision. Every surface is accounted for. Feedback loops keep order. Oversight remains human. Automation, hands off to precision. Precision begins with alignment. Uniformity is not accidental. Every gram is calculated. Accuracy preserves integrity. Safety is silently verified.
Responsibility still rests with people.
Flow is never broken. The final stage approaches. Before sealing, it must be proven.
Verification stands between process and promise.
Samples speak for the whole.
Numbers confirm stability. Texture defines the experience.
Consistency is sensed and logged. Nothing unwanted is tolerated. Quality becomes record. Only approved product moves forward. The product now meets its final form. Accuracy continues to the last second. Every package carries its history. Individual units become shipments. Order is built vertically. Stability ensures safe travel.
Finished product waits in readiness.
The journey continues beyond these walls.
And this is how modern factories produce popcorn from start to finish.